To make your lock screen button invisible on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra so that you can avoid curious eyes from learning your pattern, to do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap secure lock setting. Draw your current screen lock button. And then tap the blue on off switch next to make pattern visible until the switch turns gray to turn it off. To see the result, turn off the screen and then turn it on again. Swipe the lock screen and then draw your screen lock button. With the make pattern visible option is off, you can see that your phone will not display the trace when you are drawing your pattern. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.